welcome. Today we'll be carving this pumpkin together. I actually got a pumpkin carving kit from Michael's yesterday. It's right here. It's from this company called Pumpkin Masters. And I think I'm gonna do, it comes with a bunch of stencils. And I think I'm gonna do the owl one. The owl one is really calling out to me. I think it's saying, Christine, Christine. So yeah, we're gonna, it seems fairly easy, but we'll see how it comes out. I started by taping over the lines of the stencil of which I would be cutting. The instructions said that this would help waterproof and reinforce the stencil so that we can carve right through it. I then taped the stencil to the pumpkin, trying to lay it as flat as possible, but I did have to fold some parts of the paper in order to do so. So I did things in the wrong order. I taped on the stencil, which you're supposed to do after you carve out the insides, but I was just so excited. Since we already got the stencil on, I'm gonna scoop out all the stuff on the inside now because I don't want to undo all the work I just did. They recommend you cut from the bottom, but I want to cut from the top because I want him to have a hat. So we're gonna open this and get the tools out. All right, we have 3 saws, a scooper, and I think something for more precision work. This guy. So yeah, let's start at the top. Oh wait, I also have a bowl for all the stuff on the inside. Oh! Okay. Ah! It smells vegetably. I don't mind it. I like vegetables, but actually pumpkins are a fruit, if you did not know, because I didn't know that. But because they have seeds, they are classified as a fruit. All right, let's start scooping. Scoop, scoop. Done scooping everything out. This little scooper that came with the kit was actually super impressive and very helpful because it's so small, and at first I was like, I don't think it's gonna work, but this was way better than this spatula thing I was trying to use. All right, now it's time for the fun part. We get to actually carve the owl now. I am so excited. Let's see how it goes. We got our saws. It has a number system, so it tells you where to start, which I think is really helpful. And it says for the owl to start at the eyes, so that's where we're gonna start now. And I'm going to go poke an eye in. I tried to carve a pumpkin the other day and film it, and it just turned out horrible. It turned out so bad. Partly because I didn't have the right equipment. I was just trying to use like a kitchen knife that I had, and it just wasn't working right. I think the smaller tools are very helpful in carving a pumpkin. All right, where's the precision tool? All right. This is supposed to be one of the easier stencils, but I feel like it's still pretty hard. I think I'm getting the hang of it, but it definitely takes some elbow grease for sure. I think the key is to do like very small strokes. I think that's the key. Just small strokes and patience. That's what she said. I definitely went outside the lines, which is fine, right? That's fine. It's okay. You know, I went to the Jack-o'-lantern Blaze last week, and honestly, man, I don't know how they carved like all those 7,000 pumpkins. I'm thinking they probably had power tools. I don't know if any of you guys saw Goosebumps 2 on Netflix, but there's a really cool Jack-o'-lantern that he carved in that movie.
Sam, what do you think? Nice. Looks just like you.
Are you guys ready for the big reveal? All right, let's see. Take the tape off. Oh, it doesn't look so bad. It's missing an eye. See? Let's clean up and then put some sort of lighting in here to see if it looks better. I don't know. I still like it. It's cool. I'm proud of it. I did it. Ta-da! This is the final result. I am so happy with it. It came out way better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I had totally messed it up. I'm pretty proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. I really think the Pumpkin Masters kit from Michaels was really helpful. I just can't help but think though that there must be a more efficient way to carve a pumpkin, because man, carving a pumpkin is hard work. It's definitely very like strenuous. But the end result is worth it. I don't know. I think everyone should carve a pumpkin at least once in their life. It's just so fun to see like that you did this. Like, I can't believe I did this. This is so cute. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next Halloween episode. Bye. Bye.